got the most complete and easy to use digital marketing platform. Oh yeah. So be omnipresent with afterall. Bring your ideas to life with Builder. Oh, bring your ideas to life with Builder. Oh, sell your products. Tell the world just who you are. Builder. Oh yeah. So come on, join Builder. Oh yeah. You know you wanna be with Builder. Oh yeah. Be omnipresent with Builder.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is afterall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a afterall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With afterall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture they sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is afterall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a afterall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A afterall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Afterall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is afterall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a afterall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.